front bumper removal on a BMW Mini. You may want to jack the car up on axle stands to make this easier, but you don't have to. Remove the shield that protects the engine that's underneath. Next, we got to remove this bolt. To access it, you've got to go through the wheel arch liner, and it's in this slot here. And obviously the bolt's facing upwards, and it's a 10mm. Repeat for the other side. Disconnect the wiring to the lights. Turn counterclockwise. It's the indicator. The side light. Just push off to one side. Repeat for the other side. Undo these T30 Torx screws. Undo the clips here at the top of the bumper. The front bumper should now just lift off.